Yeah, green candle, listen close. Stop looking at the reactors. Stop looking at the design. I'm looking at the physics. Yeah, I'm looking for the sign. Beauty contest winners. Nah, I don't care who wins. I care about the fuel, where the real money begins. Let's go. Friday the 12th. Yeah, the market took a dip. Hedge funds panic selling, losing all their grip. Arbitrage the note. Yeah, they worry about the cash. I'm looking at the backlog. Sitting on a stash 119%. Yeah, the growth is wild. 7.4 billion. This ain't for a child, not a contractor. Put respect upon the name. TSMC of nuclear. We running the game. 5 pillars deep. Yeah, we split them in 2. Anchors and the rockets. Let me show you the view. Anchor is the Navy, keeping subs in the deep. Classified money, earning while you sleep. But the rockets are the reason that we waking up at dawn. Triso and the SMRs moving on the lawn. From maintenance to power, yeah, the shift is getting real. Anchor keeps us safe, rockets seal the deal. I don't use the word moat unless it's really wide. Physics is the fortress where the profit's gonna hide. Triso fuel particles, ceramic on the shell. Unmeltable physics, saving us from hell. 1600 degrees, yeah, it handles all the heat. NRC license, competition is beat. 10 years of paperwork to even try to start. BWXT monopoly, a work of art. Revenue is popping, up 29%. But look at commercial, that's where the money went. Up 1-100-20-2, yeah, the signal is clean. Private sector knocking, best you ever seen. Government is steady, but the margins are low. Commotion's the rocket where the earnings gonna grow. Margin expansion story, yeah, it's coming to the light. Green candles only, everything is looking bright. Follow the atoms, yeah, we follow the trace. Centra's got the feed, but we winning the race. Lynchburg, Virginia, that's the toll booth gate. High purity uranium, deciding the fate. 1.6 billion, contract is signed. Depleted uranium, leave the others behind. Locked in for decades, DOD is the friend. Supply chain monopoly, money without end. Navy pays the rent, but the world pays the fee. Bulgaria calling, yeah, they want the expertise. Owner's engineer, yeah, we running the show. Halliburton of nuclear, watch the status grow. Doesn't matter if it's CANDO or the AP1K. We service every reactor, getting paid every day. Global service exporter, margins looking nice. Selling all the expertise, naming our own price. Check the basement, got a ticket for the lotto. Medical isotopes, that's the new motto. Molybdenum 99, 40 million scans. No uranium waste, sticking to the plans. Waiting on the FDA, 2026. Biotech multiple, adding to the mix. Market thinks it's zero, I say 20 bucks a share. Free option on the stock, floating in the air. Westinghouse and Rolls-Royce, fighting for the crown. Generals at war, tearing others down. We the arms dealers selling steel, and the fuel neutrality is profitable. That's the golden rule. Digging for the gold? Nah, we selling every shovel. While they fighting wars, we building on the double. Pressure vessels pouring, getting paid by all sides. BWXT surfing on the nuclear tides. Stock dropped 5%, convertible to cause. Finance guys panicking, give them all a pause. $1 billion cash, war chest for the fight. Arbitrage is temporary, future looking bright. Project Peel is the risk, thermal stress to test. If the Army reactor fails, then we get no rest. But right now the thesis is colder than the ice. Buying up the dip, yeah, the price is looking nice. 50 times earnings, don't you flinch at the price. Monopoly premium, looking very nice. Nvidia and Costco, quality is high. Clean tech infrastructure, reaching for the sky. Algorithms switching from defense to the tech. Multiple expansion, cashing every check. 2-100-20-5, that's the target on the screen. Buying up the quality, living in a dream. Back to the crime scene, 175 breakout level retest, keeping it alive. Smart money reloaded, institutions in the zone. RSI is cooling, sitting on the throne. Froth is getting washed, weak hands letting go. Accumulation pattern, watching money flow. Don't chase the green, buy the red on support. Textbook setup, holding down the fort. Bears say perfection, 46 on the P. No room for error, that's what they want to see. Subsidies could vanish, FDA could delay. Stock could hit 90 if the skies turn gray. But backlog is record, demand is exponential. Execution risk, yeah, that is essential. I'll take the demand over lack of the need. Betting on the physics, planting every seed. Risk reversal strategy, here is how we play. Sell the 160 puts, get paid today. Take the cash premium, buy the 190 call. Financing the upside, standing very tall. Heads I win the profit, tails I buy it cheap. Leverage the volatility while the others sleep. Don't just buy the stock, engineer the trade. Smart money moves, that's how the money made. Industrial heartbeat, nuclear future is here. Physics in the license, nothing left to fear. Friday was a gift, mispricing on the chart. Capitalize the vision, mastering the art. Disclaimer on the mic, do your homework fast. 175 level, built to really last. Fuel is fully loaded, reactor getting hot. Green candle out, this is the shot.